Welcome. I hope you had a good spring break and I hope everyone's healthy at your house. Maybe this was an opportunity for you to get to spend more time with family, siblings, friends in a different way than you expected, but hopefully you're all right. I wanted to walk you through what's going to be expected of you. When you go to Schoology, I've been sending out messages to you about how we're going to use Schoology for the time being until we are back face to face. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down to Chapter 7. As you can see over here in the upcoming, everything that we have to do the rest of the 6 weeks is over here is in Chapter 7. So I'm going to scroll down until I find Chapter 7. Now, if you're behind, Chapter 9 will be your friend. That's where we started the 5th 6 weeks. But right here, we go to Chapter 7. Inside Chapter 7, I have my parabolas, ellipses, and circles, and these other lessons, okay? So I'm going to start with what the expectation is for you, starting on Monday, is you're going to click here, parabolas, and inside of it, you'll see here's my YouTube lessons. If you click that, it'll open up the link, which I'll do in a second. Down here, these are my two Desmos graphs that I've created to help you with your ALEKS homework. Down below, you'll have a completed set of notes, and here's your blank packet. Now, I know many students I saw on Friday came by and picked up the packets the Friday going into spring break, but if you don't have them, you can print a blank one here. So when you click that link, you'll see this is the exact thing that I print off for you when you come to my classroom and hand it out to you. If you print it, it'll be 6 slides per page, so it should be 4 pages total. Now I'll go back to the 7-1 parabolas. And down below, when you fill out your packet, this is where you're going to click. You'll sign each page in ink, and when you go to click this, you'll be able to submit a picture. I know mine looks a little different. You see one student already has, but you'll be able to submit it here to make sure you get credit for it. Okay, so that'll be a daily 100 grade for if you totally fill it out. Now, key with that is you need to be doing the guided practice. Don't just copy the notes and not do the DOLs. You need to be doing those as well. The completed notes is everything I work through in the lesson. If you would rather print this and just watch the videos and not actually write it down as you go, that's fine. You're just going to have to change your settings because right now I have it as 1 slide per page, and it would print out a whole print off 19 pieces of paper. If you don't want to do that, you need to change your settings, but that's there for your convenience. Okay, so let's say you've printed off your packet and now you go to the YouTube videos, and when you click this, the YouTube ought to come up, and you can see to get through the packet there's 5 different examples. I have attached over here, this is the ACP problem that was at the very end of the packet. That's what that video is there. So there's 5 examples plus the ACP problem, which would be right there. You watch through those, you fill out your packet, make sure you work those guided practice, attach it, you get 100. Okay, so again, this is where you attach it here, and don't forget you have ALEKS on every assignment. Once you do 7-1, you'll move on to 7-2. I've had a lot of students ask, hey, are we doing A day, B day? Honestly, I don't think it matters if you look at Mondays being A days and Tuesdays being B days. While we're on online education, I'm just going to give everybody 2 days like a normal schedule, and it doesn't matter if you work it on Monday or if you do it on Tuesday. That doesn't matter to me, but that's how you'll be getting your grades. So this will round out the end of the 6 weeks is here, and then later when we get to approach the end, I'll actually post an assessment for you. But these are your assignments as you go forward. 7-1, 7-2, 7-3, many of you already got those packets for. The 7U and the 7-5-2 are bonus assignments, just so you know. So I'll be texting out through your minds. Those 7-1, 2, 3, and this 7-5 are what I'm going to grade you on. These 2 will count as bonus because everybody always asks for bonus, and since we're doing digital education, I thought, you know what, I'll create 2 bonus assignments for you, so they are there, those 2. So 7-5 is a normal assignment along with these 3, and then you'll have your test in here. If you have any other questions, obviously get back to me, but other than that, that's how we're going to proceed going forward.